What's up, guys? Welcome to the first episode of A Million Business Ideas. Currently, there are two sets of people who know to cook, people who do not know to cook. I belong to the side where people do not know to cook. So, again, in that case, in majority cases, it is either we do not know the recipe, or once we have the recipe, we do not have the ingredients. So again, but if we have the recipe and we have the ingredients and we know what to put at what time, yes, we also can cook. So I feel that is one problem which the majority people face. Like again, we can for frying and all, we know how to start a gas. Come on, that's the least thing that we can do. But again, that is one particular perspective. The second problem is it is very unsafe for you to go out and eat. Even the restaurants have started delivery at home. So, but still, there are some cases that have emerged where even delivering food at home has caused some coronavirus or caused some sickness. So, how do you deal with this particular thing? Coming to the solution. This is an example from my own surrounding. What people have done is people have started delivering produces to your home, like vegetables, meat and all are delivered by people to your home. They get it for a cheaper rate and they get it to your home. So again, this is the basic step of how people are trying to earn during the pandemic. Even Zomato and Swiggy also have done the same thing. They are starting delivering groceries at your home. So again, let's add just one step to it. Zomato, Swiggy, any app or any person, they have a recipe section. I click on the recipe section, I get the list of all the ingredients, and on one tap I can buy all the ingredients. Again, there would be some customization, like example butter chicken. I want to create I click on the recipe of butter chicken. I understood what is needed, but I realized that I already have chicken at home. So I can reduce that, I can customize that, I can remove that ingredient down, and I can buy the other ingredients that are needed. So again, if this can be done, two perspectives. From the consumer perspective, I get all my ingredients, plus I can also buy other ingredients that are there on the app. It's not that I'm only buying the ingredients. I can also add other ingredients that I want, but this, like the butter chicken recipe, it comes separately to me, and I can use that to create recipes. Again, a person like me now doesn't have any excuse that I don't know what goes in, I don't have the ingredients, and we will be able to cook. And how does it help the business side? From the business side, it helps to push out more of the inventory. Like example, it is impulsive buying. I go to buy 1 kg of onions. But here, I'm not only buying onions, I'm buying butter, I'm buying chicken, I'm buying all the masalas. So again, it helps me push a lot of the inventory out. And this can be done even at the most smallest scale. Again, it could be a simple palak paneer, it could be simple dal. If we can use that, if we get the recipe option, we can click it, we can buy all the things necessary for it. Currently, this idea was given to me by Thermomix. Thermomix is, at the moment, it was a Germany-based brand. Now it is in US. They are basically into home appliances. They have created their own community on the app. They are doing the same during the COVID. And again, this is a wonderful idea which can be implemented all over India. And again, people who even do not know to cook can cook using these particular instructions and all that. Again, if you like the idea, do hit the like button, do subscribe, and again, please share the video. Thank you so much.